Hello, my name is Olivia. I'm an IST student, and I'm starting this channel to really focus more on my personal knowledge and education with coding and technology as it relates to my major and basic work that I do around campus with my clubs. I'm really looking forward to hopefully getting in touch with other people online and meeting people who can help me with my journey and learning how to code better and more efficiently, and also learn about more software options that I can use in my day-to-day technology-based work. Um, on campus, I go to Penn State. On campus, I am part of the Triota Honor Society, and with that club, I'm on the exec board with my main duties in the club are running their website, and I created the website from scratch. I really had a great time putting it together and taking in people's needs and like what really everyone was hoping for in terms of having an online shared space that could just be for members and people interested in the club. So it was really about marketing it the club to the rest of the campus, as well as making it a space for members to feel safe in talking about what they wanted to change within the club, and for members to add in their own personal notes from the club and things like that. So that was a really great project. That's my main project so far and what I'm working on still right now. But hopefully this channel will help me grow from that space and really reach out and learn more about what I can bring to the table, basically, in my future career, besides website design and things like that. So today I really just wanted to get things going with explaining who I am and what I want this channel to be like and what I'm expecting from the future for it, or for the future from it. And now that I've kind of introduced myself, I do want to talk about this Android update that I'm interested in. And it looks like um, Android 11 now has released a new update that is focused more on privacy as well as accessibility, which I think is really awesome. In terms of privacy, they've really focused on eliminating um, random apps access to your location and better privacy options. So what this means is your typically apps when you just scroll through the terms and you just kind of skip it like everybody does. What you're really agreeing to is for them to sometimes, if they're interested in tracking your location. And this is for a number of reasons, whether they want to find out what stores you're interested in so they can help better market related stores to you or businesses, where in the world you live, what local businesses can they market to you so that they can get more money from ads and things like that. Or they're just nosy and they can do whatever they want with the information, really, but it's mostly from a business perspective. They want to market things to you. But what this new update does is it alerts you when they are in fact tracking your phone, when your location is still on, or when the app is still on and actively tracking your location, whether you consent to it in your knowledge or not. Maybe you just scrolled through the terms, like I said, and you weren't really thinking that could happen, but it can. And luckily, they've made up for this by creating this kind of update that can combat that. So that's really great. Also, I feel like I should reference the author here. It's from Business Insider, Lisa E. Dikiko. I think I didn't say that right, but all credit goes to her for this article, and Android, obviously, and Business Insider. But so with accessibility, they've also made their the update more accessible, especially for people with hearing issues. The new update should make the phones more accessible for people who have hearing aids that normally would connect to your phone, but it would require a lot of power on the part of the phone. So instead of constantly having to charge your phone just so you can hear what's going on it, watching videos, anything, you do miss out on a lot of that kind of thing. So what Android has done is made it more um, made it more possible for people to have longer lasting batteries and still use their hearing aids with the phone, and that's connected through Bluetooth normally, if I understand correctly. I think, yeah, they said Bluetooth. Yes. Um, it also, they've added captioning services to all media across the entire phone, regardless of which app you're using. You will be able to use captioning um, services. So let's say you're watching a video on YouTube. Usually they have captioning services, but regardless, you would have um, better captioning services or services if the certain video you're watching doesn't um, have it for you. Um, and YouTube usually has this, but maybe an app, say like a news website that wouldn't have captions, the phone will still give you captions underneath the video, or if you're calling someone, you'll have captions. So that really is a great fix for a lot of people with hearing issues. Um, and that shouldn't affect your battery at all. So that's really great. Um, And I also want to finish up this video talking about what technology I'm interested in learning in through my class, IST 302. Um, I really want to learn more about artificial intelligence and how, um, in my career, I could spread that across all disciplines, whether it be medicine, um, business, travel, any, like really any. I believe it can be used for any sector in the career world, I guess we would call it. But I really want to learn how I could take that and apply it to any discipline that I'm interested in, because I am interested in a lot of different careers one day that I haven't really settled on. So any type of um, education I can get on how I can spread certain technologies across many different disciplines, that would be really helpful. I'm really just interested in how far technology can stretch across the world and how it can help a lot of people. And that's really what I'm hoping to get out of this experience with this channel and this class. Um, and really everything. So I guess this is it. I will see you next week with my next lab assignment. It's been awesome. Encounter Coder is my name. Don't forget it. See ya.